Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use the new Shots feature on Instagram. This option lets you send temporary disappearing photos directly inside your direct messages. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram direct messages. Next to your profile picture on the left side, you will see a new section. Tap on it or expand it to open the Shots feature. This new option allows you to send photos that disappear after being viewed. Shots cannot be opened again once they are gone, and they automatically disappear after 24 hours. You can send as many as you want and even choose who can receive them. If you are using this feature for the first time, tap on the Try It button. The first attempt is only a short demonstration that shows how the feature works. Shots appear next to your notes at the top of the inbox. Tap Got It to continue. Now the camera will open. Before capturing, you can also select your audience by tapping below Camera Preview. You can take a quick photo or selfie for your shot. After taking the photo, the shot will be sent immediately. You can preview it by tapping the small arrow in the lower left corner of the screen. If you tap on the image, you can also see the reactions or responses from the people who received your shot. And that is all you need to do. The new Shots feature is a fun and private way to share quick photos that disappear automatically, similar to stories but directly inside chat. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and check out more short tutorials about new Instagram updates and hidden features. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.